Hey everyone, Luma AI just made their Uni-1 model available as an API, and this is a big game changer for developers. Uni-1 doesn't just generate images that understand the user perspective. You don't need to describe the every details what you really want. Just tell it what you want, and this will figure it out everything. So with the help of API, we can create a lot of products. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a YouTube thumbnail generator tool with the help of Uni-1 API. So here we go. So before getting to the code, let me show you something is like I generated this thumbnail with just one line prompt. Okay. As you can see here, I just write one here. Video topic is how to connect App Inventor with MySQL database. And he generated an amazing thumbnail for me. This is for my educational channel. We can generate a thumbnail with just simple prompt. And I generated another thumbnail with just write a simple prompt called Python tutorial thumbnail. And he generated like this. So this is how the Uni-1 model works. Now let me show you how we can implement this into the code. So it's very simple. We just need an API key and very simple code to call the API. Okay, so how we can do this? So first of all, we need to create an account and generate an API key. So once you logged in, you can see the API key option. Let's click on the create key. Here you can enter the project name. So I'm going to just here YT thumbnail and just create it. Now we have the API key. Just copy this API key and keep it in a safe place. So we have four options, like we can use the Python, TypeScript, Go, and curl. So we can use any of them to use the Uni-1 API. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use here the Python. Open the VS Code and create one new file here. And I'm going to save this as thumbnail.py. Now we need to write a very simple code. You can use any AI tool to generate a code for you. So here I have a very simple code, and you can see this is a base URL we have to call. It's very simple. So these are three steps. Okay. So the first one is like the submit the request. Here you can see the send the request to Luma, the first step. Second step, we need to check the status, okay, of the image. And the third step is we need to download the image, right? I just need to use my API key here. It's a very simple and basic code. And I have this one variable where you can write any prompt, whatever you want to write. As you can see here, YouTube thumbnail for Python tutorial, bold text, vibrant color. That's it. Or you can just write here anything, YouTube thumbnail for Java tutorial, bold text, vibrant color. Simple as that. So let's see this code, okay? So simple, we just call here the API key and the API URL. Now we just call here header, and we just created one variable, and the variable have the value is called what you really want to generate. And the first step is like request. We are sending the request to generate a thumbnail. So we are sending the prompt like this, and the aspect ratio here. And then we are printing the response, because whenever we send the request, we will receive the ID. And once we receive the ID, we can check the status of our image. It's processing or not. And once it's completed, we will see the image URL. And that will print like image is ready. And we can save this image in our computer, and we can see this in our web view. So it's very, very simple code. So let me just put my API key here, and you can just simply create the .env file for your API keys. And now just save this code and run this. As you can see here, first is sending request for response, and we have received the ID. Once we receive the ID, second step is status. As you can see here, waiting for the image to generate, and it's currently processing. Now as you can see here, our image is generated, image is ready. Now we can see this image. So let me show you how it's look now. Wow, as you can see, I've phrased our full course for beginners. This is an amazing thumbnail we just generated with the help of Uni-1 API. So suppose if you want to build your SaaS product for creators, you just need to write a simple line of code, and you have the enterprise level tool that can help a lot of creators. So this is a really very cool, because Uni-1 understand your real requirement, what human really needed. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.